Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to create a WordPress website. In this video, we'll take you through the process of setting up a WordPress website from scratch. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a business website, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps of creating a professional-looking website that you can manage on your own. Step 1. Choose a web hosting provider. The first step in creating a WordPress website is to choose a web hosting provider. A web host is a service that allows you to publish your website on the internet. There are many web hosting providers available, but we recommend choosing a reliable and affordable option such as Bluehost, SiteGround, or WP Engine. Once you have selected your web host, follow the setup process to create your account. Step 2. Install WordPress. After creating your hosting account, the next step is to install WordPress. Most web hosts provide a one-click installation process for WordPress, which makes it easy to get started. In this tutorial, we'll use Bluehost as an example. Log into your Bluehost account, click on the WordPress icon, and follow the prompts to install WordPress. Step 3. Choose a theme. Once WordPress is installed, it's time to choose a theme. A theme is a pre-designed template that determines the look and feel of your website. WordPress has thousands of free and paid themes available, so choose one that suits your needs. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to install the Astra theme, which is a popular and flexible theme that can be customized to fit any type of website. Step 4. Install plugins. Plugins are add-ons that extend the functionality of WordPress. There are thousands of plugins available, and they can help you add features such as contact forms, social media buttons, and search engine optimization. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to install some essential plugins such as Yoast SEO, Contact Form 7, and Jetpack. Step 5. Customize your website. Now that you have your theme and plugins installed, it's time to customize your website. This includes adding your logo, changing the colors and fonts, and creating pages such as your homepage, about page, and contact page. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the WordPress customizer to make these changes. Step 6. Publish your content. Once you have customized your website, it's time to start publishing content. This could include blog posts, product pages, or service descriptions. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a blog post, add images, and format your content. Congratulations, you have now created your own WordPress website. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Remember to keep your website updated with fresh content and to regularly back up your site. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.